Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. I will show you how to open an account and use Ascendex exchange in this tutorial. At the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to sign up, transfer or buy crypto, stake, open and close spot and margin orders, participate in events and many more options. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to not miss out on our latest videos. Also, you can follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and TikTok channels to keep up with the latest news and updates. Now, let's get started. Ascendex has been open since 2018 and it continues to serve millions of crypto investors and traders across the globe and has established close partnerships with many crypto communities. Ascendex's daily market volume is more than $100 million and it offers trading services across over 200 trading pairs across cash, margin, and futures products. Let's start with how to sign up. As in every other exchange, you must pay transaction fees for your market orders. And if you sign up with the link you can find below this video, you will receive a discount from those transactions. All you need to do is to click on this link and sign up with your email account or phone number. And make sure that this referral box is not empty. After signing up, our first task is to complete our KYC process. Each centralized exchange must verify its users to prevent money laundering and other criminal activities. To do that, we need to click on this profile icon and then select account verification. Customer verification in Ascendex is very easy. All you have to do is to click on this verify now button and fill up this form and then later upload your ID documents and photographs. The verification process usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and after being done with it you can start investing in crypto market. The first step will be transferring or buying crypto assets. On the top left side there is an Ascendex icon. If you click on it, the platform will direct you to your dashboard. You can buy crypto with your bank card through the investment option or send your money through a wire transfer. Also, you can use an external crypto wallet to transfer your assets. Here it says buy, sell and convert. You can select the coin name, type the amount and choose the payment method. But in either case you must verify your account first. You can look at your assets current value from this dashboard and track every wallet such as margin or spot. Also, you can see your portfolio allocation through the accounts button. Here it says cash and this is a spot account. Spot accounts are specific for the spot market orders and your cryptocurrencies are in your spot wallets. You can use the transfer button to transfer crypto assets within your wallets such as your cash, margin and futures accounts. After it, you can click on this box and select which cryptocurrency you would like to transfer and the amount. We also have withdraw and deposit options in here. Let's start with withdraw. To withdraw crypto from Ascendex to another wallet, we must select which crypto we want to send and which network we would like to use. After selecting the crypto and the network, we can type the wallet address in this box and the amount in here. Also, if you are unfamiliar with the wallet process or how to send money to another wallet, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials to learn how to do it. Let's say you want to deposit crypto to your Ascendex account or want someone else to send it. In this case, click on this deposit button. Again, select the coin and then the network. Once you select the coin and the network, your wallet address will be automatically ready. All you have to do is to copy it and send it to your friends. Now that we have completed our KYC and deposited our first cryptocurrency, our next step is to protect our account. Why? Since the crypto is in digital form, it makes it easy for hackers to steal your assets. After all it takes is one tiny mistake and that's it. All your hard work savings are gone within a minute. And the worst thing is that you cannot do anything about it. As setting password only is not enough, you must have the two-step authentication set for your account to prevent that. To do that, you need to go back to this profile icon and select security settings. This way, whenever you or someone else tries to enter your account or transfer assets to another wallet, you or the hacker has to complete a set of security codes. You will receive these codes on your mobile phones as a message and on your email accounts. Last but not least, it is always best to download an authenticator and link it with your profile to prevent any risk. Now let's explore the market option. As I said earlier, Ascendex supports more than 200 cryptocurrencies and you can access, observe and trade trade every single one of those currencies through the market button. Here we have the favorite spot market, futures market, newly listed, and leverage token options. Let's continue with the spot market. You can type the coin name from the search box, and you can add your favorite cryptocurrencies to track them easily by clicking on this star icon. Also, you can see the latest price, percentage change, current high and low, and the 24-hour market volume. Now let's continue our training with spot trading, or in this case, cash trading. A spot trade is when a trader buys or sells a financial asset, in this case crypto, within specific time frames. Spot trading is the safest way of trading compared to margin and futures trading. Here we have the parity option. You can select which parity you want to use and then type the coin name in the search box. For example, I prefer to trade in USDT parity, but you can change it to USD, BTC or Ethereum. Currently we are on the ASD USDT parity, and what you see on the screen is our price graphic. On top of it there are time intervals where you can track your assets for different periods starting from 1 minute till 1 month. Also, if you can see, there is a pro view version of it. If you click on it, you can change your graphic to trading view version of it, and you can use these tools such as Pitchfork, Ganbox, Fibonacci retracement, and many more other tools. We have the limit, market, and stop loss orders here. You must use the limit order button if you are waiting for a specific price point. You can type the price in this box and then choose the amount. After setting up, you can click on the buy or sell buttons. In this way, you can trade with less loss possible. For example, if I use the market option, since the market price is very volatile, I may buy at a higher price and sell at a lower price, which that should be the opposite. And also, as you can see, the set price option is gone. The system will sell or buy assets based on their current market prices. Stop loss orders are must-use options. As I said earlier, the crypto market is very volatile, and since you cannot be on top of the computer screen all the time, you must set stop limit orders to reduce the chance of losing profit. Let's say about Bitcoin at 19,300 and expect it to increase to 20,000. But what if it doesn't? And what if I don't have access to my mobile or PC when it starts to decrease? For these types of reasons, one must always set stop loss limit orders. In this way, I can create a sell order at 18,800 and put a trigger price for it at 19,100. So if the price falls to 19,100, my sell order will open at 18,800. Here we have the order book to track the current buy and sell positions. Also, you can switch it to see sell or buy only. Under it we have the market trades, and here we can track the completed orders such as what as of buy or sell, when and how much. At the bottom left you will see the order history dashboard, and here you can track your data and also cancel your order requests. Now let's continue with the margin trade option. You can see that 3x, 5x, 10x and 25x next to each coin. These are leverages. Leverage trading is any trading that involves borrowing money or otherwise increasing the number of shares involved in trade beyond the number of shares you could afford when paying in cash. And for that reason, it is much easier to lose money. For example, if I open a $100 worth of long position at 5x leverage, the system will buy $500 worth of Solana or any other token in this list that has 5x leverage. Since I don't have $500, if the Solana price falls only 20%, I will lose my position and get liquidated. Losing money in margin and futures trading is this much easy, and for that reason I suggest you to stay in spot trading until you figure out how the market works. Also, you can watch our futures tutorial on our channel to learn more about it. Besides the risk factor, the order types are the same as the spot market. Here you can track your risk rate, total balance and liquidation price if you have opened any position. You can transfer your assets to your margin account by clicking on this transfer button and selecting which coins to send. Now continue with the futures contracts. Futures contracts trading refers to speculating on the price of cryptocurrencies without owning them. Like commodity or stock futures, cryptocurrency futures enables traders to bet on a digital currency's futures price. Futures contracts of any underlying asset are the derivatives of that asset. These contracts are bought and sold between two commodities investors, and they speculate about that asset's price at a specific date in the future. If you check the Bitcoin spot market price and the futures price, you will see the price difference and the volatility. Futures trading is pretty much same as the margin trading, except you cannot loan money and you can open positions with a maximum of 100x leverage. Would you like to lose $1,000 in 2 seconds? Then this is the perfect way of doing it. But if you don't want to lose at least within 2 seconds, you can decrease increase your leverage to 10x or maximum 20x. Here again we have the limit, market and stop loss orders. The good thing about futures trade is that you can add additional cash to your current positions. Also here we have the cross and isolated options. The difference is that if you want to open more than one position for more than one asset, you can open them in an isolated mode to prevent total liquidation. Because if you don't, your whole margin wallet will drop to zero when you get liquidated on one asset, which brings us to the cross mode. Cross mode accounts for your total balance to reduce liquidation probability by maintaining margin requirements. We can track our total equity, realized profit and loss, available margin, position margin, estimated liquidation price, margin ratio and the adjustment factor from here. But what if you don't want to spend time on market analysis and want to copy other people's trading methods instead? Let's look at the copy trading. You can subscribe to any of these traders by paying monthly subscription fees like $20, $60 or $100. Now let's continue with the earn option and staking. Crypto staking is locking up crypto holdings to obtain rewards or earn interest during a period. Staking allows investors to earn rewards on the cryptocurrencies that they own, and you receive yields by committing your digital tokens to support the operation of underlying blockchain. At the next of each option you can see the estimated revenue and additional rewards. Also, if you are unfamiliar with the staking option or provide liquidity to any pool, you can watch our decentralized exchange tutorials and learn how to do it. Here we have the discover button, and in this option you can learn various tutorials about crypto, blockchains, NFTs and many more subjects. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channel. To keep up with the latest videos, news and updates, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.